What is going on, YouTube? I am here in the paint booth and it is finally time to start painting my GS550 motorcycle. Stick around, I'm gonna show you where we're at. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, I'm Bryce Builds It All. I'm actually an aircraft mechanic and a Part 147 A&P school instructor, but I've been working on this motorcycle project the last few weeks, or last few months actually, getting it ready for a car and bike show that I go to every year called the Hill Country Rally for Kids. So off camera, or in the last video I should say, I finished stripping down the motorcycle and getting the parts off. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting everything. So I got the gas tank all stripped down. This took forever, and you can kind of see it on camera. There's a little dent there, tiny dent there. There's another one right here, and then like a few little dings, but it's actually overall in really, really good shape. So I just finished painting that, and I also painted all of the other tins, if you will, with that self-etching primer. So I used an etching primer because this is bare metal and I really wanted it to stick. I need to do a little bit of Bondo on this. I want to try to get rid of this seam. I went ahead and I took the headlight fairing and I painted the inside of it black so that you won't be able to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape that off. I'll get this taped off and then I'll be ready to spray. Now the color I'm going with is actually a pattern. I'm gonna put a sketch of it up here, but this is some Magic Tractor and Truck and Implement spray from Tractor Supply. This stuff is actually really durable. I really like this shade. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of white and a little bit of gloss black with it with some striping to sort of break up the yellow, but I am a sucker for a yellow motorcycle and it is a Suzuki, so might as well. So with no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off, and then I will get this one. Actually, I'm gonna take this one off and I'll go ahead and paint this and the under tray yellow, and that'll give the tank time to dry. While the tank's drying, I'll Bondo this, and then when the tank is dry, I will Bondo the dents in the tank so that hopefully I can make everything yellow before I leave here today. Okay, so I had to roll it out in the sun for this part, but that is going to do it all for this video. And here is your color reveal. Now I'm kind of filming two videos at once, final assembly as well as painting, so I'm back and forth. So this really actually isn't all the way on. The tank's not all the way on, but it is painted, and I love the way the color came out. Now I'm going to say on camera it's a lot brighter, it's a lot more like vibrant yellow. In person it's a very unique color, and I've been keeping it under wraps. I'm going to reveal what color this is now so you can get an idea. I am a sucker for a yellow motorcycle, and I was looking for something like a period correct kind of pastel yellow, something that would look good on the bike and look sort of 70s, if you will, in style, 70s or 80s. So I was shopping around Tractor Supply and I found Cub Cadet Yellow, and I thought, it's not a lawnmower, but man, that actually looks pretty good on the bike. It kind of matches the vibe I was going for and the overall look that I was going for. It looks vintage, it looks cool, and that was the point. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you leave us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe. I realize this motorcycle has killed my channel as far as views and subscribers go, because most people aren't subscribed for this or here for this, but it's what I've had time to work on. It's what I've been working on, so it's what I've been showing. So thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave us a like, leave us a comment. Go buy yourself a t-shirt, you know, go become an aircraft mechanic. I don't know, do something. Anyways, go build yourself something and be easy.